It's time for your science exam, okay? Now, it is raining really hard here today, so hopefully you can hear this okay. And what you need to do is take out this piece of paper that looks like this, okay? See this piece of paper? So you need to get that from your mommy or from whoever's helping you today, okay? Now, this is a test, things about science. They are all things you know, okay? All things you know. So, what do you need to do? You need to listen and follow directions, okay? Follow directions. Okay, first thing, put your name, right where it says name, put your name, okay? Everybody can do that, right? Okay. Now, over here are the directions. They are written in Spanish so that there is no excuse. Everybody can read Spanish, okay? You can all read it. I will read it. I will tell you what it says in English for Aviana. Okay, Avi? Okay, so here's what you're going to do. You guys can all read this yourself, right? It says, this oval represents your head. Okay? Now, this is your head. It is missing. Is that what your head looks like? Oh, that's kind of a funky looking head, isn't it? Should we make it a little better? Let's make it a little better. Okay, here is your head. Now, this head is missing some parts. It's missing some parts, isn't it? Okay, so what you need to do is draw in the missing parts on this head, okay? Draw the missing parts, okay? Then, over here are some questions, okay? Question number 1. I use this to think, okay? Avi, number 1. I use this to think. Okay, so what are you going to do? What do you use to think? Write the answer right there. What do you use to think? Write the answer there, okay? And then, after you do that, you are going to draw a line from here, from number 1, to what? Where is that found on your picture? What do you use to think? I use that part of me to think, whatever it is, okay? See what you need to do? Draw a line from that number 1 to where that is on your picture, okay? Number 2, Avi, ready? I use this to taste food. What do you use to taste your food? Number 3, I use this to see. Number 4, I use this to hear. Number 5, I use this to speak. Number 6, I use this to smell. And number 7, I use this to chew food, okay? So, Avi, if you need to, you can always back up your video, okay? So, you put your name, you fill in the missing parts, you write the answers here, and then you draw a line to the part of your picture to show where that part is. Can everybody do that? Yes, you can, okay? So you need to listen, think, fill it in. If you can't spell the word right, that's okay. Do the best you can, okay? Cool. Have fun, and you know what I'm going to do? In the classroom, on the back wall, where I have all of your stickers, when you send this back to me, when I come back to the United States, I'll put this up on the wall so everybody can see your pretty picture, okay? Okay, have fun and do a good job.